Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MDEVAAN and we're going green today again. This is another tea soup. We call this Ashwe. The soup that is made from these leaves is called Ashwe. So as you can see, the leaves are very green. I got this the same day as I got the leaves for the atewe, which the Yorubas call ewedu. So this cooks really fast, like it's super fast, as long as you have your native soup ingredients, which are the nune, the gokbaye, and all of that. So I was bringing the water to a boil now. I like to boil my water very well so that the leaves turn at the same time. As you can even see what I mean by turn, they turn in color immediately, they blanch. So you don't want them like blanching at different times. They turn once it touches the hot water, it starts turning immediately. This soup for some is an acquired taste because I know a lot of thief people who don't like it either. So it's an acquired taste. So as usual, put in a tablespoon. I use 2 teaspoons, so a tablespoon of potash water. We call it kanwa. So just going to mix that in and then let it cook. Once it starts cooking, you see it foaming. That's totally normal. It's totally normal. You see it foaming up, and then you just keep turning it. This doesn't really take a beating like the other one, but it disintegrates. Once it starts foaming and you're mixing and all of that, it will disintegrate. This recipe does not require any oil at all. So we're just going to mix that in and let it boil and boil very well. So remember our mix for native soups. I'm going to be putting a spoon of that into this. I'm going to put a link also in the description box so that you know what I'm talking about. So we're just going to mix that in and let it cook. Remember that our mix was already very cooked, like well cooked. So I'm not going to take too much time here because I did my meal preparation already. So I'm putting nune again, as well as we did in the atewe soup. I'm just going to mix that in and also let it boil, and then I'll season it again. Just add 1 cube of seasoning just to bring it to taste. Atewe is not like super sweet and it's not sour. It just has like a slightly tangy taste, but it's very nice and it goes very well when it's paired with pocho, or it can even be taken on its own. So our soup is ready. I just want the water to dry up a little bit more, but our soup is ready and yummy. That was fast, right? With meal preparation, it was fast. I'm just plating this for our takeaway bowls. We send these out so you don't have to suffer to keep making soup. We'll do it for you. So yeah, this is out. I hope you tried this recipe. If you have any questions, please let me know. It's really nice. My name is MD. Thank you so much for watching. Did you subscribe? Please do hit the subscribe button. I love you.